Welcome to the Module 5, Lesson 5, Using Logical Functions. One of the more powerful aspects of Excel is its ability to perform a logical comparison between values in a worksheet and produce a result. In many cases, the result is further evaluated, and specific actions are performed to provide additional insight into the analysis. Excel includes a variety of logical functions, including Boolean functions, conditional functions, and constant value functions. In this lesson, you are introduced to the if function, which is one of the most popular conditional logical functions in Excel. Topic 1. Understand if statements. To fully understand how the if function works in Excel, it is important to recognize the main elements of a typical if statement. An if statement evaluates a specified condition. Returns one result if the evaluated condition is true. Returns another result if the evaluated condition is false. For example, consider the following statement. If sales are greater than $2,000, calculate a 10% donation, otherwise, calculate a 5% donation. This statement contains a condition, if sales are greater than $2,000, and then describes what to do if the condition is true, calculate a 10% donation, and what to do if the condition is false, calculate a 5% donation. As you create an if statement, you will often use logical operators to specify the conditions to be evaluated. These are the logical operators for apply certain condition. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic. Use the if function.